All right, everyone, welcome back. A quick update, a quick look at Solana here. So, Solana, if you've been watching the channel here, we're watching this very large bear flag slash rising wedge pattern here, which tends to be bearish, but I do not put too much weight on patterns here on the channel. Sometimes they play out, sometimes they don't. You can clearly see here on the chart from the high to the low, the 3-day candles here, that if Solana, which it smacked right into your zero point 0.5 retracement from the low here, if Solana breaks over $47, then it's going to break this pattern to the upside and be bullish at that point. So if you can break over $47 here on Solana, you're bullish. But with that being said, we're going to zoom in a little so you guys can see some potential retracement levels in this pattern. And if we get a 618 retracement, you're going to drop about 40% from the top here for a 618 retracement, and maybe end up doing something like this where you just kind of bounce around and come down to that 618, and you're either going to break to the downside of this pattern and go much lower, or you're going to come down here to the bottom and come all the way back up to the top. That could be the case here. So until you break over $47 right now, you're probably going to have this retracement play out here. But you could just have a 382 retracement and then go back up. Nobody really knows, but you do have a lot of support here. You have that larger 382 and then the smaller 382 here at 32. So we could draw a box here. If you end up holding this box here, you can see the 200-day EMA is also there for support. If you can hold this little support box here, then there's a chance that we're going to change the color of this really quick. There's a chance that you may end up being bullish here for a move like this, and then you're going to break out over that $47 area. But 47 is the key here. That's the big price to watch. If you cannot get over 47, then I would say 618 retracement and lower here on Solana. So let's go ahead and just measure this really quick. So from where you are right now, you could fall down to 37 for a 10% drop and still potentially get a bounce, and then we are about a 23 to 25% drop down to that 382, the 200-day EMA, to our green support box here. But if you take that out, there's probably a 618 retracement in play here. And as of right now, it's about a 38-39% drop down to the $25 level here on Solana. So that could be in play. That is the reason for the update here. Just want you guys to be aware that you are in this pattern. You're potentially going to come back down to the bottom of the pattern to these retracement levels, and probably end up going lower than that. But like I said, it could break out to the upside. Nobody knows. So just watch those prices there. Watch $47, and we'll see how this thing plays out. One last thing I would point out, if you're wondering why the price is just kind of sitting here in the middle of nowhere doing nothing, we can simply answer that if we take and we draw a fib from this high here to that low. You can see, let me scoot this over, the price is sitting right between your support at 38 and your resistance at 41 here. So if you want a either tighter price to watch, once you fall below the 38.30 level, then you're probably coming down to that 382 retracement here. And then if you break over the 41.80 level, you're coming back up to test that $47 high here on Solana. So we'll get that out of the way for next time, and we will leave it at that on Solana. Just kind of watch those support and resistance levels. Remember, you are in this large bearish pattern here, and if it's going to play out, it's going to play out. If not, to the moon we go, I guess. So with that said, hopefully that helped. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.